In this guide, I will be showing you guys how can you transfer Robux from one account to another account. Let's get started. You can do it by creating and purchasing a game pass. First up, launch your Roblox. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the option create. Here navigate to the option creations. Over here you're gonna find the experiences. Now open one of your existing places or experiences. Next scroll down on the left menu and select monetization. Then click on passes. From here choose the option to create a pass. Now you will need to fill these details for the pass. First you can change the image, then type in the name. Optionally you can also add something to the description. Once the pass has been created, click on it. Click on the option sales. Toggle on for the option item for sale. Now enter the amount of Robux you want to receive as a prize. After setting the price, click Save Changes. Now switch to the Roblox account that will send the Robux. Make sure both accounts are connected, either through friends or by visiting the creator's profile. Open the profile, click on their creations tab, select their game or experience, and then open the store section. Find the game pass that was created, purchase it. Once the purchase is completed, the Robux will be transferred to the other account. Although Roblox may take a short processing time before the Robux becomes available. That's it. This way you are able to transfer Robux from one account to another. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.